Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by finding the proper spawn area for Windy Bee on the map. Windy Bee spawns at high cliff edges during breezy weather with a 25% spawn chance. Check the North Ridge coordinates and mark them on your map. Search the North Ridge area between 10:00 and 12:00 game time for best results. Windy Bee appears in short windows after gust events that last about 3 minutes. Approach quietly within 3-5 meters. Prepare your gear and timing before you attempt to catch Windy Bee. Equip a light net with 3-5-inch mesh and bring a tracked bait for a 25% spawn boost. Pack stealth boots to reduce approach noise and a gust detector if available. Wait for gust events and use bait immediately at the cliff edge without delay. Time your approach carefully because you have about 3 minutes per gust and up to 3 attempts before the spawn resets. Execute the capture with calm, steady moves and patient timing. Approach from downwind and press net action when Windy Bee is within 3-5 meters. If Windy Bee flutters away, do not chase aggressively because that lowers success rate. If you fail, retreat 10 meters, wait 1 full gust, then try again up to 3 attempts. Once captured, place Windy Bee in a ventilated jar and feed nectar to recover stamina after capture. Return to base and record spawn time for future farming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.